Welcome to Mojo Friday. This is Joe Loesch, your voiceover coach. Today's tip from VoiceOver Extra is, what you think is what you become. What is it that occupies your mind? Are you covered up with bad news from your TV or the internet? Are you filled with angst, turmoil, the feeling of hopelessness? This type of thinking could put you in a very bad place if you allow thoughts like this to take over your life. When you first got into VoiceOver, you were probably told that the business was oversaturated, the competition was too steep, and that it would just be a waste of time and effort. Fake information like this may have held you back from stepping right up to the plate. As a child, you may have been told that you couldn't do certain things, so you grew up believing that indeed you could not do those things. My wife was told at a young age that she would never make a living as an artist, so that's what she believed. Once she removed those spoken words from her mind, she was able to pursue her love of art and see herself flourish as a successful artist. Many people dive into VoiceOver going about the process in the right way, but never thinking beyond the process. Jobs are not coming in. They're not winning the auditions they thought would be a snap. They're doing everything correctly, but they left something very important out of the equation. Actually believing that they are a voice actor. Think to yourself, I am a successful voice actor. What you think is what you become. This is Joe Loesch, your voiceover coach. There's a subscribe button on my YouTube channel. It should be right about there. Be sure to click it. And join me for Mojo Friday, the first and third Friday of each month here at VoiceOver Extra. It's time to get your mojo working.